China is a country rich in diverse landscapes, each more stunning than the last. Our journey begins with the majestic Great Wall of China, an architectural marvel winding through lush green mountains and arid deserts, offering panoramic views that leave visitors in awe. Next, we move to the serene River in Guilin, famous for its ethereal karst mountain landscapes. As the river meanders through towering peaks, mist often shrouds the scenery, creating an almost dreamlike atmosphere. For an experience of ancient culture amidst natural beauty, visit Jiuzhaigou Valley National Park. Known for its multicolored lakes, snow-capped mountains, and Tibetan villages, this UNESCO World Heritage Site feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Another must-see is Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, known for its towering sandstone pillars that inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. The views from the glass bridge suspended between cliffs are truly breathtaking. Lastly, no trip to China would be complete without visiting the Yellow Mountains or Huangshan. Famous for their dramatically shaped granite peaks and seas of swirling clouds, the sunrise and sunset views here are something you will never forget. Thank you for joining us on this journey through China's top scenic wonders. If you enjoyed our video, please like and follow for more amazing content.